itself in a myriad ways. Today we are here at the most happening place of Mumbai. Maybe not for the entire year, but yes, during these 9 days, it is the most live place of our country. Yes, you are right. We are here at the Kala Ghoda Arts Festival, the largest cultural festival of our country. Here we can see the 13 feet tall Egyptian mummy. This is a statue with different colors and different patterns, just look splendid in its own unique way. It brings Egypt right in front of us in Mumbai. The exhibition over here shows us different women posing with Lavani dance. This shows their desires through their Lavani poses. The expressions of dignity and the expressions of empowerment. The women are amazing in their own unique way. The crowd around me is really huge. Yes, this festival draws around 150,000 people every year, and the crowd around me expresses it all. Now let's walk to the street stalls, which is the crown of Kala Ghoda festival. We can see over here different handbags of different sizes and different styles. This adds up to the ethnicity of our culture. The next stall is also of handbags and clutches, but of different patterns. The different multicolors, the bright colors with the prints of celebrities and heroines complements the completion of 100 years of a Hindi film cinema. We are walking towards the next stall, which shows the different cards. The funds raised through these cards are used for an NGO. The cards show different patterns, different simple patterns, but this simplicity has great deepness. This heralds excitement, vibrancy, and colors of culture. Art is not about its outward appearance, but what lies under the sheets. This shelter tree shows us the women who are victims of abandonment, rape, female feticide, and all other vices which are inherent in our society. Let's talk to the maker of this art. What is the exact theory behind it?
This tree is the significance of our society that we live in. It's got infected with various kind of antisocial elements and diseases like rape, violence, abuse, etc. These have been indicated by these eye-shaped leaves. We as responsible citizens would like to bring about the change in the society. So we would like to change this leaf with a green leaf. By doing so, we are committing ourselves to be the change for the society and be a responsible citizen. Thank you.
There are many other vices which are inherent in our society. One of the other vices which is very prevalent in our society is child sexual abuse. We can see this hollow tree, the hollow tree which looks full-fleshed from outside, but actually it shows the hollowness inside a child who is sexually abused. This Kala Ghoda festival shows us different pieces of art which makes us aware of different practices which are prevalent in our society. Kala Ghoda Festival 2013 welcomes you to experience the kaleidoscope of music, art, literature and all other events which your heart desires for. With camera person Swapnil, this is Shruti Shukla, MRSC Mumbai.